Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a time slice video transition in CapCut PC. So here inside of the compound clip, I just made these three clips, like this three grid clips. I don't know, but basically you're just going to want to scale it to 50%. And then copy and paste it 3 times. On the second one, you're going to position the X at 1920. On the other one, you're going to do it the negative 1920. And then you are going to add a keyframe here. And then at the end, like here sort of, you're going to want to position the video at minus 1920. Where is the hello? There we go. And then again on this video as well, I'm just going to copy and paste attributes here so it's quicker. Okay. Then, oh, actually I should have done that later. Okay, let's do it later. Then you're going to want to right click and then show variable speed animation. And basically what you're going to want to do is you're going to move it as I'm doing. Oops. Can I? Okay, let's just pick one first. Like, let's do cubic out first. And then I'm just going to use this to make it like a little bit roundish. Like that. Yeah, exactly like that actually. That's what I want. And I'm just going to make it look like this. There you go. Then I'm just going to hide it again. And I'm just going to then copy and paste the attributes here to the other clip. There we go. Then for the video transition, you are going to just type in left. And you're going to add in the left video transition there. Then you can either export or create another compound clip. I'm just going to create another one here. And then I'm just going to copy and paste the clip here. And I'm going to go to mask, add mask, and then do film strip, and then put the size to 100 or like depending on the size of your video, I guess. Let me just do 300 because I don't want to make too much. Wait. Okay. Then I'm just going to like make it shorter than that. Okay, I'm just going to drag it to the right. Sorry, I'm not going to make it shorter. Then I'm just going to copy and paste that, and then I'm going to drag it to my right again, just a little. And then I'm just going to place this down here. Make sure it's accurate so there's no gaps. And then again, copying and pasting that, move it to the right slightly. And then we're just going to put one here. Obviously, you'll need to be more accurate than me. This is just a tutorial. I don't want to take too long. Again, copying and pasting. There's a bit of excess here, so maybe I should have done the 100%, but I feel like it would take too long. So yeah, just adjust it to your videos. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. It's a bit laggy, but that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.